Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Mohit Agarwal. Today I am going to talk about the teaser of one of the most awaited films of Bollywood, Gangubai Kathiawadi. This movie was about to release last year on 11th of September 2020. Even its first look along with official posters were released. But due to the pandemic which hit all of us and even the theatres were forced to shut down due to the nationwide lockdown. However, the good news is that it is ready to release in 2021. As we all know, it's a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film and he's one of the best filmmakers in Indian cinema today. So everyone is excited to watch his films. But what's more exciting is that he's collaborating with Alia Bhatt for the first time ever. So it's gonna be a double treat, both for the Bollywood fans as well as the critics. Talking about Sanjay Leela Bhansali, he last directed Padmavat in 2018 and has been casting both Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone back to back in all his films, be it Ram Leela, Bajirao Mastani and Padmavat. It's good to see Alia Bhatt as the leading lady of the film Gangubai Kathiawadi and not Deepika Padukone for a change. I'm looking forward for more such new collaboration from Sanjay Leela Bhansali in near future as well. Talking about casting Alia Bhatt, I personally feel is a good decision as she has proven her acting skills in various films like Razi, Dear Zindagi, Udta Punjab and Gully Boy. Though she had a small role in Gully Boy, I wish we could see more of her in that film. Nevertheless, she is having a vast variety of upcoming projects in her kitty. Now, without wasting any more time, let's talk about the teaser of the film. Everything from the opening of the voiceover till the last dialogue of Alia Bhatt is absolutely perfect. And there was not even a single moment where you can get your eyes off. Literally, the moment I saw Alia as Gangubai, I just couldn't take off my eyes from her. This is certainly one of the most challenging roles of her career and I have seen her shine like a star in such roles from past movies of her like Highway, Razi, Udta Punjab and Dear Zindagi. Talking again about the film teaser, the way she delivers her dialogue, the confidence in her eyes, the way she walks, her appearance, her personality, her mannerism, her posture. Certainly hats off to Alia Bhatt for pulling it up so smoothly. Alia just nailed the character. And of course, credit goes to Sanjay Leela Bhansali as well to make her do as he must have visualized. It was certainly a good decision to announce the new release date with poster as well as the official teaser on the birthday of Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Bhansali certainly needs no introduction as filmmaker as he has already proven himself time and again with his unique talent and is extremely passionate about his craft. Bhansali directed Alia nicely and that's easily visible in almost every scene which we saw in the teaser. The story of this film is based on the book Mafia Queens of Mumbai. Written by S. Hussain Zaidi, is a film that celebrates the rise of a simple girl from Kathiawadi who had no choice but to embrace the way of destiny and swing it in her favor. Who else would present a good narration or story the way Bhansali could and has already been doing it with films like Devdas, Savarya and Padmavat. All the films are made by adaptation. Talking about the music, even the music is energetic and adds up to the momentum of the teaser. And certainly I feel one could expect good original songs and dance number to look forward to. The film is gonna hit the silver screens on 30th of July 2021. I am looking forward to it. You guys tell me how much you are excited to watch this film in theaters or not. Please do mention in the comments down below. I would like to know your opinion. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, do what you love and love what you do. Thank you.